Hello guys, and welcome once again to the sewing workshop. Today I'll be unboxing a butterfly domestic sewing machine. Actually, this machine is awesome. You can see this design on the carton. This machine can do a lot of things, and it's very easy. You can see a domestic sewing machine. So if you're not doing a heavy duty, you're not doing an industrial kind of work, you can get this machine in order to help you guys in order to do all your work. So I'll be unboxing this machine, and first and foremost, to remove the carton. This is what it look like from the carton, like straight from the vehicle. You can see from inside, this is what it looks like. This is the full packaging. So I'm just going to remove that from the carton and place it down. You can see, so the very first thing on the side is the presser, the foot presser, which is the main controller of the machine itself. You can see this is what it looks like. It's a black color and it's inside the nylon, and this is what it looks like. You should be familiar with this. This is the foot presser, and that is all. That's all about that. And when you open the machine, there we're going to refill the full butterfly JH8190S. It can sew a straight stitch and many more. Inside the carton we have the paperwork. That's all about that. We have the paperwork and the machine cover, which is a piece of fabric to cover the machine. You can see that. It's the piece of fabric. When you take a closer look at the machine itself, it's very classy and simple. So I'm going to take it out of the phone. It looks very simple and lightweight, like very lightweight. I can lift this machine with just a single finger. You can see that. You can lift it with a single finger, and it's awesome. Who doesn't like something as classy as this? You can see this is what it looks like. There are several things this machine can do, like the buttonhole, a stitch, and inside of the machine we have the bobbin thread, we have the screwdriver, we have the oil, and we have several things like that. You can see we have the buttonhole foot. We have the buttonhole foot inside of the presser. I'm going to make a complete video of what this thing can do for you. But here we have the buttonhole, we have the stitch close and all those stuff. We have the straight, we have the zigzag, we have design, several kind of design on the machine that you can use. So that's about this. This is all about the machine. It's very simple and classy. On another video, I'll be making a video on how to use this machine, and I will be showing you guys what this machine can do, all the designs on it. I hope you guys subscribe so that you can see more about it. So that is all about this machine, and I will see you guys on my next video. Peace and enjoy yourself.